Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best top-load washer cover is probably one of the most important purchases you'll make for your laundry room, protecting your appliance from dust, dirt, and the elements while adding a touch of style. In this video, we'll explore the top contenders on the market, examining their durability, aesthetics, ease of use, and overall value to help you find the perfect cover to safeguard your investment and keep your laundry space looking its best. Number 5. Eltow Laundry Guard. Tired of clothes disappearing behind your washer and dryer? This magnetic guard keeps everything where it belongs, making laundry day a breeze. It comes with a silicone cover to seal the gap, preventing those frustrating lost socks and other small items from falling behind your appliances. 8 strong magnets ensure it stays put, no matter how much laundry you're doing. It's a secure and reliable barrier. Whether your washer and dryer are side by side or stacked, this versatile guard is the perfect solution for any laundry setup. It's not just for laundry. This magnetic fence is also great for refrigerators, keeping things organized and preventing spills. Simply attach it to the magnetic surfaces of your appliances. It's quick and easy to set up, requiring only 8.5 inches of clearance above your machines. Please ensure your washer and dryer have flat, magnetic surfaces. It won't work on curved or non-magnetic surfaces. What we like? It's magnetic, so it's super easy to put on and take off. Plus, it has a silicone gap cover to keep clothes from falling behind the machines. If you have a flat, magnetic top-load washer and need a simple solution to keep your laundry space tidy, this is for you. What people say. Fits perfectly. Easily assembled, sturdy. Magnets hold it in place. Our washer and dryer are located in our pantry and we're constantly dropping items behind them and it's a pain to pull them out and grab things. This product was super easy to assemble, is magnetic, sturdy and has been a game changer for us. Magnets hold on top of washer and dryer. Looks nice and now I'm not losing items behind the machines. Number 4. AKEfit Washer Cover. This cover is designed to protect your appliance from the elements. It's waterproof, dustproof, and sunproof, keeping your machine looking its best. It's sized to fit most top and front load washers and dryers. Make sure to measure your appliance before ordering to ensure a proper fit. Made from high-density Oxford fabric, it's built to last. This durable material shields your machine from rain, sand, snow, and more. 3 sides are fully covered for maximum protection. The open back allows for ventilation, keeping your appliance cool. 2 convenient zippers allow easy access to your washer or dryer, regardless of whether it's top or front loading. No need to remove it for use. With its zipper and Velcro closure, it's easy to put on and take off. Enjoy the convenience and protection it offers. What we like? This cover is made from a durable, waterproof material, protecting your appliances from the elements. The convenient zipper design allows easy access to your machine without removing the cover entirely. If you're looking for a heavy-duty cover to protect your machines from dust, water, and sun damage, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits washer and dryer perfect. Wasn't navigate. Just what I needed for my outdoor washing machine. Fits well, thick and I love that you do not need to remove the cover because it has zipper top load and front load. I wanted a cover that I didn't have to remove completely every time I used the machines, that fit as closely as possible to the size of the washer and dryer. And that it completely covered all the way down without leaving a piece of the machines exposed. With this cover I achieved all that. Perfect for the measurements of the Speed Queen model I have. Number 3. QLLY Washer Dryer Cover. This cover is designed to protect your appliances from the elements. It's waterproof, dustproof, and sunproof, ensuring years of reliable protection. Made from high-quality nylon, it's built to last. It keeps your washer and dryer safe from moisture, dust, and scratches. The zipper and Velcro closure allow easy access to your machines without removing the cover. It's simple and convenient to use. Adjustable ropes ensure a snug fit on most top-load washers and dryers. The open back allows for proper ventilation. It's suitable for various locations, including kitchens, bathrooms, balconies, and more. Protect your investment wherever you place your appliances. It fits most major brands like Kenmore, Samsung, Maytag, GE, LG, Whirlpool, and Insignia. Check your machine's dimensions before ordering. For even better protection, consider our enhanced cover. Find it on our storefront by searching QLLY. What we like? It's waterproof and made to last for years. The zipper and Velcro design makes it easy to use your machine without taking the cover off. If you need a reliable, long-lasting cover for your washer and dryer, this is a great choice. What people say. It provides excellent protection against dust, moisture, and scratches, keeping my dryer in pristine condition. The cover feels sturdy yet lightweight, making it easy to put on and take off. The fit is perfect, with precise cutouts for the controls and hoses, ensuring that everything remains accessible. It's easy to undo when you want to use your dryer. At the top it has Velcro, so I just pull it open enough to turn the buttons, and when I'm done I pull it down to clean the filter. The zippers on TH front corners slide very easy, and I lift up the front panel to open dryer door. It's lightweight, so best for indoor applications, but I've been using mine outdoors in SoCal weather for over a year and it's holding up great. Haven't had any problems with the zipper, and opening the top is easy. Number 2. 2-pack washer dryer covers. These covers are designed to protect your appliances from dust, moisture, and scratches. Made from durable, high-quality material, they'll keep your machines looking new for years to come. It's made of a durable 420D Oxford cloth that's waterproof, wear-resistant, and age-resistant. This ensures long-lasting protection for your valuable appliances. With dimensions of 29 by 28 by 43 inches, it fits most top and front-load washers and dryers. The convenient zipper design makes it easy to put on and take off. The pre-cut windows allow for easy access to the control panels, so you don't have to remove it for regular use. It's designed for both convenience and protection. 3 sides are fully covered to protect your machines from dust, dirt, and moisture, preventing damage to expensive internal components. It helps maintain the color and vibrancy of your appliances. It fits most top and front-load washers and dryers on the market, complementing any home decor. It's a practical and stylish solution for protecting your laundry appliances. What we like? Made from high-quality, durable Oxford cloth, it's waterproof and protects against dust and scratches. The pre-cut windows allow easy access to the front panel without removing the cover. If you want a long-lasting, easy-to-use cover that protects your machines, consider this one. What people say. They fit my washer and dryer perfectly, not too snug and not too loose, just the right fit to provide the protection they need without being a hassle to put on or take off. The design is genuinely beautiful, adding a touch of elegance to my laundry area. Easy to put on, fit perfectly, easy to top up, one and done. I also love the bags that they came in because I can use those bags for something else as well, so that's pretty cool. Number 1. 2-pack washer cover. This cover protects your appliances from the elements. It's perfect for keeping your machines clean and dry, both indoors and outdoors. Designed to fit most top and front-load washers and dryers. It's important to measure your machine before ordering to ensure a proper fit. Access your machine's controls easily with the pre-cut zipper windows. Open it without removing the entire cover for ultimate convenience. It shields your appliances from water, dust, and UV rays. The durable, waterproof material ensures long-lasting protection. 3 sides are fully covered to maximize protection. Adjustable ropes at the back provide a secure and customizable fit. Use it indoors or outdoors, it's suitable for various locations. The heavy-duty polyester fabric with PVC coating is built to last. Get 2 covers for the price of 1. Protect both your washer and dryer with this economical and practical solution. What we like? It's waterproof and protects against UV rays, keeping your machines looking new. The pre-cut zipper windows provide easy access to the control panel and lid. If you need a protective cover that's easy to use and keeps your machine safe from the elements, this is a great option. What people say. It's exactly as described. It fits my Samsung washer and GE dryer perfectly. Keeps them clean and free from dust. Great quality and super simple to take on and off. The chives were great and are super easy to put in and use, plus the material is perfect for outdoor machines. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.